You built a super smart AI agent and say, send me a reminder, and suddenly it spams you with 200 reminders every 5 seconds. Or you ask for a quick homework summary and it writes you a 200-page essay. That's what happens when agents don't have rules. Today, we'll learn how to set rules so your agent stays smart, helpful, and safe instead of going a little crazy. Think of rules as guardrails. In bowling, guardrails stop your ball from going into the gutter. In video games, limits stop you from cheating with infinite lives. In school, rules keep everyone safe and fair. Agents need rules too, so they didn't give too much, too little, or the wrong kind of information. Here are the four big categories of rules. Content rules, what the agent can or cannot say. Explain in answers in simple language. Don't use scary or violent language. Length rules, how long or short the answer should be. Example, explain it in 3 to 4 sentences only. Action rules, what the actions is not allowed to take. For example, never send more than one email per day. Behavior rules, the personality or style it must keep. Example, always be friendly and encouraging, never be rude. These rules keep your agent predictable and safe. Let's see some fun examples of rules in action. Homework helper agent. Rule, always explain in 5 steps or less. Use examples a 12-year-old can understand. News body agent. Rule, summarize news in 3 sentences. Always keep it positive and kid safe. Joke bot. Tell her in clean, family-friendly jokes. Keep jokes under 2 sentences. Reminder agent. Rule, only send 1 reminder per day at 6 p.m. Without rules, chaos. With rules, helpful, fun, and safe. So, here's a simple formula you can use. Always do this. Never do that. Keep answers short, long, or step by step. Example for a homework agent. Always explain in steps. Never just give the final answer. Keep explanations under 5 sentences. Boom! Clear rules. Let's see how rules look in a simple agent. So guys, you can see the script here. I'll put the script in the description so you can copy and try it for yourself. And in the output, this will say the agent explains gravity in 3 to 4 sentences with one simple example, like an apple falling from a tree. In no-code builders, it's even easier. Just type the rules in the instructions box. Example, always be funny, never use bad words, keep answers short. Done! Your agent now follows these rules every time. Now it's your turn. Pick an agent you've already built. So, like you may be an homework helper, news buddy, or joke bot. One content rule, one length rule, and one behavior rule. Then test it out. Example, news buddy, always positive, never scary. Keep under 3 sentences. See how the rules change the reply. So today, you learn rules are guardrails. 4 types of content, 4 types of rules. Content length, action, and behavior. You can write rules with simple words. Rules always make agents smarter. In the next lesson, we'll put everything together to build a daily news buddy, an agent that fetches news and explains it in kid-friendly words, and even emails you a summary. Get ready, this is where your agent shines.